First, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. My name is Abdulqadir Mahmoud Omar. I'm the English, Noradin English teacher, one of. So today our lesson is about essay writing, grade Form 4. So objectives of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to determine the structure of an essay, study the essay outline, and develop essay writing. So first, how to write an essay? What is an essay first? An essay is a group of paragraphs written about a single topic and a central main idea. It must have at least 3 paragraphs, but a 5-paragraph essay is common for academic writing. So this is the format of essay structure. So this is the introduction, and this is the body, and this is the conclusion. So you know, this is upside down triangle. It shows that you're gonna insert a general statement for your introduction, and then specify or specific, especially the T statement. So first you're gonna start a general idea, and then you specify a thesis statement. So we're gonna say introduction consists of 2 parts: general statements and thesis statement. And this is the body paragraphs. It's a triangle. So it talks about different ideas or different paragraphs. So essay outline, introduction, a general statement on the topic, a background sentence. Thesis statement on the topic, it presented the main idea. For example, because introduction contains two birds, general idea, and thesis statement, present main idea. And this is body paragraph 1, topic sentence. You're going to start a topic sentence. Each paragraph, or especially body paragraphs, every paragraph has a topic sentence that from thesis statement, subword sentences, and concluded sentence. So this is the first paragraph of your body, and this is the second paragraph of your body. So every paragraph has a main idea or topic sentence from the thesis statement, and this is in conclusion. So first conclusion, you're gonna rephrase the thesis statement and sum up the main points. So introductory paragraph. The introductory paragraph provides a map of the essay and sets up the central arguments. The introduction is shaped like an upside down triangle because it leads the reader from the general views on the analyzed topics to the specific narrow them of the essay. Therefore, So the introduction provides a map of essay and sets up the central argument. The introduction is shaped like upside down. For example, this is upside down. So this is the general idea you're gonna start, and this the specific. Thus, in a good introductory paragraph, it introduces the reader to a general topic, provides a brief background information. Yeah. It introduces the reader to the general topic. It provides the brief background information about the meaning, context, and significance of the topic. It gives the reader understanding of the order in which the ideas in essay will be presented. it clearly identifies the main points in the T statement. Yeah. Okay, what is it? When you wanted to start your introduction, you're going to ask your question, two questions yourself. What is the topic first? You're going to generalize. This is the general idea. And what is the question? This is the specific or T statement. So we're going to answer this question. Write an essay about the role of computers in modern world. How computers have improved the business world. How educational system has benefited from the computers. So we're going to answer this question first. So when we wanted to make an introductory paragraph, we're going to use general statement and T statement. So this introductory paragraph. Throughout human existence, man has strived to develop and use new and more beneficial tools in order to improve this standard of living. The modern computer is the most recent of these life-change tools in existence for only a few decades. Personal computers have a major impact on modern society, especially in the fields of commerce and education. It's now impossible to imagine engaging in a business of learning activities with the computers. So this is general idea, the general statement of our introduction. Yeah, of our introduction. And this is the T statement. Being a major part of everyday life, the computer has totally changed the way we work and the way we study. So this is T statement, and this is the general idea or the general statement. So our introduction, remember, whenever you wanted to introduce an introductory paragraph, you have two things, two parts. Number one, the general idea or the general statement of your introduction, and the thesis statement. So what is the T statement? T statement is a sentence that tells us what the essay is about, or it presented the main idea of the essay. So this is the body paragraph. What is body paragraph? In the diagram, the body paragraph are shaped like rectangles because all the information in this paragraph concerns one topic, clearly support and proving the T statement. So it's like a triangle. For example, rectangle. It shows us that they talk about, they consist of two different paragraphs. And it leads, T statement leads these paragraphs. Body paragraphs need to directly and specifically discuss the points mentioned in the T statement in the order they are given. If this is not done, the essay is not just valid, it's misleading. That means if the body paragraphs doesn't follow the T statement, they are misleading and the reader will become confused. So all your body paragraphs will follow the T statement. Each paragraph should contain only one main idea, as stated by the topic, existence. Make sure paragraph flow in logical sequence, as given in the introduction, so that the essay flows towards the conclusion. A body paragraph takes an idea, the advantage of using the internet, and discuss in detail, giving examples and evidence to support that point. So this is an example of body paragraph 1, because we have a different paragraphs in our body. For example, this one. This is the body paragraph 1. So we have a topic sentence, subword sentence, and concluded sentence. So since we have the first paragraph and the second paragraph, or even the third paragraph, we're gonna take an example of body paragraph 1. To start with, the speed and memory capacity of computers have changed the business world. The business world has become increasingly competitive with the speed of the utmost importance before the computers takes such as bookkeeping, licensing with clients, suppliers, and manufacturers, and filling information were time-consuming and inefficient. Furthermore, nowadays, software has revolutionized accounting, realized electronic messages and transmitted across the globe in seconds, and countless millions of bytes of data and be stored and accessed almost immediately. Second paragraph. Secondly, education has also benefited. This has a different idea from our body paragraph 1. So our body paragraph 1, this is the topic sentence, because every paragraph has a topic sentence that tells us the main idea of the paragraph. So, and this is the second paragraph. So second paragraph talks about secondary education. So this is the topic and the concluding idea, because whenever you are going to develop a topic sentence, you're going to remember two things: controlling idea and topic sentence. And topic. Second, education has also benefited from the computer ability to manage vast amount of information. This is the topic sentence. Scientists and scholars use computers for conclusions and simulation programs that would have been impossible in the past. In addition, students use computers and in particular the internet to research and get information for projects much more quickly than in the past. Moreover, students can engage in self-study programs, learn together with students from around the world, or use computer to study at home. So the concluded paragraphs. The concluded paragraph is shaped like a triangle because it contains two parts. The first part, concluded sentence, contains specific information. The first, the structure of the introduction, through restating what the text briefed or summarizing what has been said in the body paragraphs of the essay. So the second part, finally, thought broadness. Yes. The focus of the essay will close it with a strong final statement providing the reader with a relevant prediction, such as an advice or warning. So the purpose of the conclusion is to bring the essay to a satisfying close and remind the reader of the main points. The conclusion paragraph should not introduce any new points. So whenever you are going to conclude your essay, do not bring a new idea, but you have to link it to your thesis statement or general idea, because your conclusion restates your introduction. Thesis statement given in the introduction. Thus, a good concluding paragraph sums up the main points or states the thesis statement in different words, comments or makes recommendations for further discussion of topic. Avoid adding a new material. So do not add a new material. So avoid adding a new material. Do not start a new idea in your conclusion. Yeah. To conclude, computers, we're going to use this one to show a conclusion, to conclude, in conclusion, to sum up, to summarize, in summary, in short, in brief. So we're going to use this one, all this one. To conclude, computers undoubtedly makes a significant contribution in terms of business, activities, and educational conditions. The computer has been and continues to be one of the most important and influential inventions of all humankind. The future of humankind is now a history which includes the computer. What is the conclusion of our lesson? First, what is an essay? An essay is a group of paragraphs. Yeah. And what is the outline of our lesson? The essay, introduction, and body, and conclusion. And how many paragraphs or body paragraphs can you develop? At least 3 or maximum 5. Today, that's the end of our lesson. We're talking about essay writing. So thank you very much for your watching. My name is Abdul Qadir. So let us meet the next week, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.